Hello guys, good evening. We just discuss about the main topic during the testing life cycle, like sanity testing and smoke testing. It's very important to discuss about that actually. Okay, so as you know, we have a different kind of software testing life cycle. Okay, in the development life cycle, we have like waterfall method, agile method, V model, spiral model. There are different methods, and based on the different features, they will conduct for the software testing aspects. Okay, so we got to understand about main topic about the sanity and the smoke testing. Okay, so first we just take one example of if the build is ready, then what is the role of insanity testing? What is the role of into smoke testing? Why it is called smoke testing? When it be conducted? We have to know that. Okay, and first initially we just take one examples about you are having issues in your health, so you go in the doctor without knowing. You will not go and check it the specific issue. I'm having high problem, ENT problem, like that, whatever. Okay, so generally we go meet first general doctor. Okay, doctor will prescribe. Okay, you are everything is okay, but you are having ENT issue. They used to say you are having ENT issue. Then we should go and meet the ENT doctor and we get it the treatment. Okay, so what is this phenomena? This events I'm trying to say means. So what is the issue? That particular related only. If you go and meet doctor, that is sufficient, because the remaining doctor generally they told like you are normal. Only thing is you are having the ENT issues, like that. For example, so we have developed the software. Your build is ready to test. Okay. So here there is two different kind of testing need to be conducted. As per ISTQB says, it's mandatory actually. Okay. So according to this smoke test and sanity, there is a two terms. Okay. Here, what we try to say about the smoke testing means smoke testing will test it your all the main functions, whatever the main functional, how it works. Generally we tested, but sanity will not do like that. Sanity, during sanity testing, what we do, generally whenever new build come, okay, new build when it will come, you might be fixed some defect, according to that they update the coding. Okay, otherwise there is a new requirement, due to that new requirement update, otherwise there is a deleted requirement, some requirement they might be deleted, according to that you might be changing your code, so your software will get updated, so that you need to test it. Okay, in that case, when what you do in the sanity testing, so we have the 5 components in our software for this, which is big bang for the configured. In that, only one component you might be changed. So we don't want to test all the component. Only whatever the sub component you have been added, the new requirement had been added. That particular piece of code you might be testing. So that is called sanity testing. Also, sometimes we can call it like sanity testing. It's part of like that is what we used to call subset of the regression test. Okay, so sanity will give assurance about whatever the new requirement had been added, that will be tested. Does it the function is working or not? Okay, and meanwhile, whatever the requirement deleted, whatever the requirement had been added newly, else if the bug had been fixed, according to that specific function only we need to test. Okay, that is called sanity. But smoke testing, it will be reject or build itself, that much, because smoke testing, what we do, what is the main objective about our software. So how the your software is behavior for the main function. It's a process executing software in order to answer the question, does the software behave specified or not as expected. Okay, so mainly we should understand sanity testing is nothing but we should check it for whatever the recent changes they have been done, and whatever they had been fixed the defect. What is the in code? What is the changes they did? Only that specific function only we need to test. But smoke test we conduct all the functions. Majorly whatever software need to do, that we used to do the testing. This is the difference between the smoke test and uh, sanity testing. Okay, and you should understand about this. Your questions are welcome. And moreover, smoke testing generally it will get documented. Okay, this is the main core concept of it, sanity and smoke. So generally testing will be conducted by a software tester as per ISTQB, but due to some small standard company, it will be conducted by developer itself. That it may not be effective, but though it will be generally smoke testing and sanity testing will be done by software tester only as per the I standard. If the company is following ISTQB standard, their software build is it is in the same level 5 company, they should follow this one. But some companies, due to some budget, they want to save for the profit purpose. They will not take more tester. They will be instantly. They will be recruit only developer itself. They used to criticize. So I hope you might be understanding about this smoke and sanity. So this is the last time I will repeat you once again. Sanity testing, we just testing about only for whatever recent changes. It's a whatever the changes for your existing new build. Okay, it means if you are added any new requirement and defect or bug fix related to that, whatever added, that only that particular function will test and will okay, this build is okay to test for further stage. Will follow up. But smoke testing, it will reject your build. If you, a major function, whatever, if it is not working, obviously the build will be get rejected. This is similarly. Okay, and your questions are welcome. Just informally I talked. In further videos we can talk, we can discuss about this like a technical term if required. Okay, we take some piece of code and one build verification. We made some changes. We can be clarified on that in the detailed manner for the elaborated use case available on your request. Okay, the questions are welcome. Thank you. Bye bye.